In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your workflow in Smartsheet. Testing your workflow is a crucial step before you rely on it for real projects. It helps you make sure your automations are working exactly as expected, that notifications are going to the right people, and that any time-based or condition-based rules are behaving correctly. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through where to find the testing option and how to use it so you can confidently verify your automation setup. First, open the sheet in Smartsheet where your workflow is set up. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Automation menu. This is where all of your automated rules and processes are managed. Go ahead and click on Automation. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're not in a restricted view and that you have the right level of permissions on the sheet, because some automation options may not be available to viewers. After clicking Automation, a drop-down or panel will appear. From there, select Manage Automation Workflows. This will open a dedicated window or sidebar showing all the workflows that belong to this sheet. It's essentially your control center for automation, where you can see each rule, its triggers, and its current status. In the list of workflows, locate the specific workflow you want to test. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if you have several that look similar. On the right side of that workflows row, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to reveal additional actions for that workflow. Among the options that appear, look for the one labeled Test Now and click on it. This will trigger a test run of that particular workflow without you having to manually recreate the exact conditions that would normally fire it. Depending on how your workflow is configured, Smartsheet may simulate the trigger and send any related notifications or actions exactly as it would in a real scenario. Once you've clicked Test Now, watch for any messages or confirmations from Smartsheet, and then check your email or other notification channels to verify that everything arrived correctly. If something doesn't behave as expected, you can go back into the workflow, adjust the logic, and test again using the same steps. By using the Test Now option, you can fine-tune your automation safely and efficiently, making sure your Smartsheet workflows are reliable